In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your old meeting history in Zoom. Whether you're trying to track down a meeting you hosted or one you attended as a participant, I'll guide you through the steps you need to follow. We'll start with those of you who are checking meetings you hosted, and then we'll move on to the process for participants. Let's begin by focusing on meetings you hosted. First, you'll need to sign in to the Zoom web portal. This means opening your preferred web browser and navigating to Zoom's official website. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign In button, usually found at the top right corner, and enter your credentials. After logging in, you should see a variety of menu options on the left side of your screen. From there, find and click on Meetings. This will expand into a submenu where you can select Previous. Clicking on Previous will give you a comprehensive list of all the Zoom meetings you have hosted in the past. This feature is useful not only for keeping track of your meeting schedule, but also for revisiting meeting details you might need at a later date, such as attendee lists or the meeting duration. Now, let's shift our attention to those who are checking meetings they joined as participants. If you're using the Zoom desktop client, you have a convenient way to see a list of your most recent meetings. Start by opening the Zoom application on your computer. Once it's open, navigate to the Join button typically found on the main screen. Next, you'll see a field labeled Meeting ID. Click the drop-down arrow next to this field. Here, a list will appear showing the last several meetings you've joined. It's important to note that this list is somewhat limited, displaying only around the last 10 meetings. Additionally, the list you see here is device-specific, meaning it doesn't sync across different devices. So if you're switching between, say, a work laptop and a home desktop, each device will record its own history of joined meetings. For those of you accessing Zoom on a mobile device, whether it's a smartphone or tablet, there are some limitations to be aware of. On the mobile version of Zoom, your history will show only very recent meetings that you joined, often even more limited in scope than what you find on the desktop client. This can be a bit restrictive if you're relying on your mobile device for your virtual meetings. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to checking your Zoom meeting history, whether you're the one hosting or participating. This information can be incredibly handy, especially when trying to recall specific details about past meetings or just keeping track of your virtual engagements. I hope this tutorial helps you navigate Zoom's history features with ease. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.